In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the long position and short position tools in TradingView. TradingView is a widely used platform for traders of all skill levels, thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust charting tools. Understanding how to use its tools effectively can significantly enhance your trading experience. First, you'll need to head over to TradingView. If you haven't already, create an account or log in to access its full features. Once you're on the platform, navigate to the chart section. You can choose any chart you want to analyze, whether it's stocks, commodities, or forex. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a toolbar with several icons. This is where you can access different tools to aid your trading. Look for an icon that looks like a ruler or a line with dots on either end. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll find the option to select the long position tool. This tool is essential for those looking to test their trading strategies for buying positions. Once selected, click on the area of the chart where you wish to place your long position. TradingView will automatically create a template on the chart showing you key metrics like your entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. It's crucial to adjust these to fit your trading strategy. You can easily drag the lines to increase or decrease your take profit and stop loss levels, helping you manage risk and potential rewards. Similarly, you can explore the short position tool for selling positions. Just like with the long position, you can access this from the same menu on the left-hand side. After you've selected and placed your short position on the chart, you can adjust the take profit and stop loss in the same way. It's just as intuitive. Let's take it a step further. To create a more complex order directly from the chart, right-click on your chosen position and select Create Limit Order. This opens up additional customizations, allowing you to edit the entry price, take profit, and stop loss. It's an excellent way to tailor orders to specific market conditions, making you well prepared for potential scenarios. Finally, as you fine-tune your strategy, you may want to highlight certain areas of the chart, or perhaps you want to manage multiple visual orders. Simply click on options like Highlight, Visual Order, or Template to organize your trading dashboard according to your personal preference. By familiarizing yourself with these tools and features, you'll become more adept at crafting strategies that cater to your trading goals. That's it for today's tutorial on using the long and short position tools in TradingView. I hope this has been helpful and it empowers you to make more informed trading decisions. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.